And Jacob's gonna put the boat in the water. See? Okay, so you put it. Okay, hold it properly. Oh! Like this, like this. There you go. Okay? Okay, now you're gonna do it. See, look at Jacob now. He's gonna press forward. Two at the same time. At the same time. Wow! Did you see it? Did you see it? Not too far. I'll get it by making a U-turn. There, it's going back, see? There you go. Oh no! We're gonna hit the rock. Here. You catch it here. There you go. There you go, Jacob. You catch it here.
Oh, Jacob, please. I said don't go there.
You catch it here.
Don't go there, Jacob.
There you go. There you go. Now, Jacob's gonna do a reverse. Did you see the video? Did you see it?